All right, so we just got this poolside light, and let's take a look at it and see what it looks like. Should be interesting, right? So this is a solar light, right? It does give you some information here. It does come with a remote. There's some type of device to put it together. Oh, here it is. All right, here's your light. And it's got some adhesive. What is this? Oh, these are zip ties. I don't know if we're going to need those. But anyway, here's the top of it. It's basically a solar panel, right? And I do believe that all we do is smush this together. Okay, so this is the two pieces right here. And I'm just going to move the box out of the way for now. And then I'm going to show you. So this side has to go, this side here has to go like that. Okay, you follow me? So what we have to do is we've got to feed this up in there, and then we're going to smush this down on here, just like that. Once you get it on there, that's it. That's your pool light right there, and we just have to stick it in the pool. There's your power button right there. I mean, there's nothing else you have to do. You just got to put it in the pool, press that button, and then tonight we'll be able to see what it looks like. So let's do that. Let's put it in the pool right now. All right, so there's the name, S-A-N-S-I, Sansi, and there's your light area. And so we'll just set it right over here. I'll just put it right down here. And then tonight, oh look, the light went on. And that's because the sun's getting on it. And then tonight we'll come and check it out and see what it looks like. How's that sound? All right, so you do get a remote with this, and there's the name of it right there. Pop it off. You need AAA batteries. Just got to put them in there. Okay, so this is ready to go. And then we'll try this later on tonight when it gets dark.